So guys, welcome to my channel. So first method, come to gigabyte.com. This is official website, gigabyte.com. Okay, then you can see here the win search key. So click and then type your model number of motherboard X670E AORUS XTREME and then hit enter. Then click to product. And click to this model number of name. Then click to support. Select your operating system which is you using. Bluetooth driver. Can say this is Bluetooth. So it is install Bluetooth driver over. Then just double click. Yes. Then it is done and close.